Hey everybody, today we're in Estate St. George, plot 106. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with a 1-car garage and a workshop. Really private, quiet neighborhood, all paved roads and right up the street from the St. Croix Botanical Gardens. You're gonna love this little house, and at this price point, with a view, very hard to find. Let's go scope it out. Check out the size of this beautiful, huge mahogany tree in the front yard. All right, this is all part of the property. It starts here, runs down that fence line. There's actually a fence in that hedge. And then the fence continues along the east side and back along the south side. Nice big yard area. You could enclose it by connecting the fence from this west end all the way along the road here. Put a gate at your driveway and you'd have a totally fenced off yard. Look at that, it's about a 4.5, 5 foot diameter mahogany. Beautiful tree. Got some Christmas palms that line the road here, and then here we are coming in to the house itself. Here's your driveway entrance. This is how you would come in from to enter the property. All right, here we are coming up. You got plenty of parking. Got a beautiful gallery there. Let's work our way inside. Okay, I'm in the driveway area now. This is the front door. This leads to a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. The whole house used to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but they took this part of the house and created a separate entrance into a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, a guest apartment. So you could VRBO that, make it a mother-in-law's suite, whatever you want to do, but it does have its own entrance from the parking area into that 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit. You could also open up that hallway again and make it a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. So it depends on your family situation and how you want to configure it, but that's your call to make. As it sits, the 2-1 with a 1-1. But look at this beautiful, airy, open space. Dining for 8, pass through to the kitchen, living room, and then straight out to this beautiful gallery. All covered, beautiful South Shore view. I'll zoom in just a little bit there. I mean, you have a nice, clean South Shore view from this gallery and from the living room. And then here we are wrapping back around to the driveway. This does scoop back to the right over to the front door again, but what a great place to have a breakfast or dinner or whatever meal out here. And then steps that go down to the garage is actually under this. You can see the current owner doesn't use it, but there is a driveway area that you would enter the garage. So you could pull off, right now it's grass, but you could pull off and into the garage. Current owner doesn't use it. They just park their car right over there. But a great space. Boy, we got some rain coming in, look at that. Lots of rain lately. It's lovely. Everything's green and lush. The cistern's full. But a great place to sit and hang out and chill. All right, let's go inside and check this out. Okay, right off the gallery, we come into the living room again. You got your cistern cover here. Nice, spacious, high ceilings, lots of light. And then we'll work our way down the hall. Off to the left, we've got the kitchen. Formica countertops, double stainless sink, gas range and stovetop. And again, there's your roof peak right there. So you've got a nice, hey fishy, fishy. You got a nice high open feeling here. Little pantry area there. And then work down the hall. We've got linen closet and then laundry room, pantry. Lots of storage space. The owner didn't like stacked units, so he actually replumbed this plumbing area, the hot and cold line and the drain over to the wash machine here, so it was easier to get in and out of it. But you could certainly put that back as a stacked. But if you like this configuration, that's up to you. You could leave it that way as well. But again, this also has high ceilings, lots of storage, lots of shelving. And then back down the hall we go. The larger of the 2 bedrooms is this one. That's a king-size bed. You've got a closet below, closet above for additional storage, and then another gallery out here. Back down the hall to the left, this is set up as twins. This would be the guest bedroom, closet, but also bright and cheery. And then these 2 bedrooms are serviced by the bath at the end. Now this hall used to continue. That's a wooden wall, actually a sheetrock wall. So that can be taken out, and then this could be integrated back with the 1 bedroom, 1 bath to make it a 1, 2, 3, 1, and another bathroom. We'll show you in just a second. So up to you if you want to leave it in this current configuration or if you want to put it back to its original state. Nice shower. Got a closet over here. Got your toilet here. And then again, you would, if you deconfigured it, you'd take a left to continue into the 3rd bedroom. But for now, we're going to go out here, check out this gallery that connects the two. When this owner rented it, they would keep this door closed and allow the renter of the 1 bedroom to use this as their outdoor patio. And then there's another set of steps from here that leads down to the backyard and then over to the garage and the workshop, which we'll hit in just a second. But for now, let's go back and look at that 1 bedroom apartment. Okay, I'm coming off of the apartment gallery. And as you come in, you've got, kind of a small living area, but doable. Lots of closet space here. Dining in the corner for 4. And then you've got your kitchen. Another gas stove, nice tiled countertops, sink in the corner, full-size fridge, TV above. And then here's the bedroom. That's a queen-size bed, some ventilation windows there, more there, and then closet in the corner, and then sliding doors that partition this off from the living area. You got the Eco electric instant on hot water heater, so you can select your temperature if you want with that. Just a nice feature. And then on the other side of this little apartment is the front door for this apartment, leading back out to parking area. Started the video up there. And then, so this would be coming into the apartment, over to the bedroom, bank a right, and you're in the bathroom. A little bit dated bathroom. The vanity's been upgraded, the cabinetry's been upgraded. Do have the original toilet and tub easily changed out if you so desire. But very nice, very functional, very rentable. And then we'll work our way back out to the other gallery, the apartment gallery. We'll take you downstairs and show you the workshop and the garage. Nice little mural there, I like that. Done by Robian, September 2017. Cute. Okay, just came off the apartment gallery into the yard. We're gonna have some rain here in a second, so I'm gonna have to cook along. You got mango tree here. And here we are looking at the east side of the house. There's your septic clean out, so the septic system's over in this area. And you can see this current owner hasn't kept it mowed, cleared back, but this is where you would have come in with a vehicle and then straight up into a 1-car garage. Doesn't have an official garage door, but that's the entrance in, and then you would just come straight into here, and boom, there's your garage. Nice. He uses it for his lawn equipment and tools and whatnot, but you could certainly make this a great place. You might be, if they were small cars, I think you could get 2, one up front and one behind. And then additional storage if you wanted to set up shelving or whatever. That's a whole nother storage area right there that's not being utilized at all. And then around, there's actually a little cookhouse in here. It's completely overgrown, but you can see it in there. You see that? It was actually an outdoor grill. I think it was a wood burning thing. I'd really like to see that cleaned up so we could see what's there, but come around and then there's steps back up to that gallery. All right, the rain's starting to get me. Let me get over here. Okay, here we go into the workshop. And so in here we've got some storage, some shelving, and of course you've got water heater, cistern pump. This is a pretty new pump. This was recently replaced, this Myers pump. So pressure's up, 36 degrees, 36 pounds. Single filter, which you could upgrade if you want to or not, up to you. And then straight back out to the yard. And then also there's a little bonus space in here. I didn't open it up, but you can get in and get into some of the plumbing, and there's additional storage in there, which is a bonus. So a really good setup. I mean, for this price, to have a view in a great neighborhood, hard to come by. And I'm dying to get rid of these, I think they call these elephant ears vines. There's a really cool cookhouse underneath this. I'm just dying to open it up. I can see it in there, but that'll be a surprise. So anyway, Estate St. George, beautiful house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Looking for a new owner. And love to show it to you. So if you want to check it out, give us a call. I think this one's not going to last, so sooner the better. All right, everybody. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye-bye. I hope you guys enjoyed that property tour. If so, click down here to subscribe. Click up here for more just like it. And right up here to go to our website to see everything about real estate in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Thanks, everybody. See you next time.